Hello, good afternoon, everyone. This video will show you about this lab, how to use a network policy on Google Kubernetes Engine or UKE. And you can use this link to walk flow with me to this lab. I will start the lab first. Okay. You can see the architecture here. We have a Bastion host or jump host, a Kubernetes cluster, and all the stuff. Okay, I will open the console with the window. First, we have to clone the repository, KE network policy demo. I will clone it through the cloud shell. I will the cloud shell, and yeah, just copy by this button, and yeah, and then go into directory and list in the folder, and then we have to set the region and zone for the default. Set US Central 1 and US Central 1A for the zone. Okay, this lab will use these APIs, and we are using Terraform, and here's the uh, parameter that have to figure. Oh wait, make setup project. The In a make setup project, we will enable the APIs, and we'll also generate a Terraform parse for variables, and we can confirm it by this command. Got it? Project region zone and SSH, and yeah, replace it the provider of Terraform, and then apply to provision the Kubernetes engine cluster, and the yes value. All right. Here already applied. Now we'll validate by this command. Describe the GKE demo cluster. Here's the network policy with the Calico as a provider, and it's enabled. Okay, that's completed task and did it. And now we'll assign the Bastion host. Hey, wait. All right. Okay, and now I will install the Hello server. There's the manifest in manifest folder. All right, it will apply the deployment and the service as well, and we can verify the port with kubectl get pods, and the deployment pods are running. Okay, complete us, and now we confirm the default access uh, to the Hello server. Yeah, and we can control C to stop it. And now we can verify the block uh, client. We noticed that both command shown the same result because we don't find yet the network policy to restrict access. Now we have to restricting access with the network policy with this YAML file. We can verify the YAML file with cat like this. Yeah. For hello server up, policy type ingress. Okay, and now just execute it. And now verify the uh, lock again. We can see the lock show timeout, and then restricting the namespace with network policy. Here's we will restrict. We will restrict the network uh, the namespace with network policy. Yes, the will show. All right, and then create the namespace version. All right, and we now we can observe the lock again. Timeout. And now deploy a second copy of the Hello client to the namespace. Oh, right. Check. Wait. And now, after the resource are fully deleted, make sure the point is uh 100%, and you can end the lab. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.